Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Ethernet. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in networking side. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. So what is Ethernet actually? Friend, Ethernet is the traditional technology for connecting devices in a wide local area network. Technically speaking, the Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineering IEEE defines Ethernet as Protocol 802.3, but just plain Ethernet is a whole lot easier to say, and it's likely how you come to know that essential bringer of Internet. Ethernet simply refers to the most common type of local area network LAN used today. A LAN, in contrast to a WAN wide area network, which spans a larger geographical area, is a connected network of computers in a small area, like your office, college campus, or even home. You might even be connected to one as you explain here. So, what Ethernet is not, though it is a wireless, in a world where Wi-Fi seems to rule our connected lives, you might be wondering, is there any even still room for that rectangular Ethernet port on your laptop? From serious business people to serious gamers, that answer is yes. There definitely is a room for it. Ethernet speeds, cable and setup. Because Ethernet has been kicking around since the early 1970s, traditional Ethernet speeds clocked it at only 10 megabits per second (Mbps). Fast Ethernet eventually bumped data transfers up to 100 megabyte per second, but after huge technological strides, today gigabit Ethernet supports speed of up to 1000 megabyte per second. Though it is currently limited to businesses on the cutting edge of the technical world, 10 gigabit Ethernet with speeds of up to 10,000 megabyte per second is also on the way. As a wired protocol, the type of Ethernet cable you see matters. Most commonly, you will see category 5 of CATs Ethernet cables. These support both traditional and fast Ethernet, while category 5E and category 6 CATs and CAT6 cables can handle gigabit and 10 gigabit Ethernet respectively. These cables run from your modem or modem router combo known as gateway to the Ethernet ports on your online enabled devices like computers, laptops or smart TVs. If your device doesn't have a Ethernet port built in, you may be able to use a USB to Ethernet adapter. Ethernet versus Wi-Fi benefits. First one is the signal stability. Friend, while setting up a wired LAN is a bit more costly and time consuming than a wireless local area network, it has some undeniable perks. First, Wi-Fi signals are actually transmitted via radio frequencies. If you are even passed through a tunnel while listening to your car radio or picked up on your neighbor's signal with your stereo, you know that radio waves are prone to interference, and is so your Wi-Fi as well. With wired Ethernet, interference is not an issue, and because everything from your neighbor's Wi-Fi signals to your microwave and your Bluetooth headset can cause Wi-Fi interference, that's potentially huge benefit. Without interference, your internet is less likely to experience slowness, disconnection or intermittent connection big deals when you are transferring massive data hungry media files to a client or competing in a Call of Duty tournament. Similarly, your own walls wouldn't cause penetration issues for Ethernet, and because each device is hardwired, you don't have to split your bandwidth because between your laptop and PS4. Flexibility and security. Though you might be dealing with wires, you are still got the flexibility to transfer data up to 100 meters, that's 320 feet from your modem or router with Ethernet cables. Since most routers already feature Ethernet ports, it doesn't take much to make the switch at home, or even to hardwire your game console or desktop gaming rig while your phone and tablet connect to your Wi-Fi signal. For the more business oriented, the control and security offered by Ethernet is hard to beat. With a physical connection, you maintain control of who is connected to your local network at any given time. This not only frees up data for your users, it helps prevent unwanted, not to mention dangerous and costly security breaches. With Wi-Fi extending beyond the walls of your office, your business WLAN wireless LAN network is naturally more accessible to potential threats. Now we shall discuss about the disadvantages of the Ethernet. Wi-Fi has a reputation for easy accessibility, and it's well earned when you use wireless area network. You basically just need an affordable modem router combo and your devices are ready to roll out. Cost. The bigger and more complex your wired LAN, on the other hand, the higher your cost. If you are simply running an Ethernet cable to your Xbox One, you are looking at the price of only a single cable. But if you are a small business designing a safe, stable and private network, you will need modems, firewalls, servers, switches and possibly even professional installation as well. As costs rise with each workstation that access your network, you could be looking at a sizable initial investment. Available ports. Remember the USB to Ethernet adapter we mentioned we discussed earlier, that's a consideration too. While most desktops, laptops, smart TVs, consoles and smart Blu-ray players come equipped with Ethernet ports, many don't. This can even vary for gamers, as the aforementioned Xbox One features an Ethernet port, while the requires a specific USB powered with LAN adapter required. Mobility. You will also lose some mobility if you go Ethernet only, as mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, netbooks, e-readers and portable gaming systems are Wi-Fi only. It's pretty hard to include an Ethernet port when the port itself is wider than many of these gadgets. That's why most LAN setups include some sort of additional Wi-Fi connectivity, and if speed is your game, the 802.11 AC standards supported by dual and tri-band Wi-Fi routers for reach maximum top speeds. Now here the question is that are you wired or wireless? Friend, ultimately the choice to switch to Ethernet boils down to your needs, preferences and budget. Most homes that use the internet for HD streaming, Chromebook browsing and smartphone Candy Crush sessions will be a 0K with a dual band Wi-Fi router. But if you are trying to maintain your spot on the leaderboard of your online game, or you are running a business where online stability and profit go hand in hand, then one thing is for sure, Wi-Fi hasn't killed the wire just yet. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.